Good morning, everybody. I would like to thank the organizers for their kind invitation towards me to enabling me to participate in this wonderful seminar competition on algebra. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Karishma Rameshlal Panjwani. I am from BSc second year. My enrollment ID is 2021018 and my college name is Sri RIT College of Science, Akola. The topic of my seminar is relation between greatest common divisor GCD and least common multiple LCM. First of all, let we see what is greatest common divisor, that is GCD. Let a and b are any two integers, not both 0, then the greatest common divisor of a and b is the positive integer d such that d divides a and d divides b. Again, c divides a and c divides b. It implies C less than equal to D. GCD of A and B is denoted by open bracket A, comma B. Here the example is the common divisors of 30 and 42 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and plus minus 6. Therefore, the greatest common divisor is plus 6. So, here the greatest common divisor for 30 and 42 is 6. Now, the least common multiple LCM. The least common multiple of two non-zero integers a and b is the positive integer m such that a divides m and b divides m. For c greater than 0, a divides c and b divides c. It implies m less than equal to c. LCM of a and b is denoted by closed bracket a comma b. Example, the common multiples of 4 and 6 are plus minus 12, plus minus 24, plus minus 36, and so on. Here, the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is plus 12, which is the positive integer. So, LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. Now, let me see about the theorem. Relation between GCD and LCM. The statement for this theorem is, for positive integers a and b, prove that product of GCD into product of LCM is equal to AB. To prove this theorem, we will firstly show that AB less than equal to MD, then MD less than equal to AB, and finally AB is equal to MD. Let we denote GCD of AB is equal to D and LCM of AB is equal to M. Since here the GCD of AB is equal to D, that is the greatest common divisor for AB is D, so D will divide A and D will divide B. Here LCM of AB is equal to M. So here M is the LCM of AB. LCM means the least common multiple. It is the multiple, so A and B will divide M. Therefore, we get here A divides M and B divides M. Let first we take A divides M and B divides M. Here for A divides M, we will divide and multiply it by B. So we get AB divides BM. And for B divides M, we will multiply and divide it by A. So we get AB divides AM. Since here we know that C divides A and C divides B, then it implies C divides the GCD of AB. Here AB divides BM and AB divides AM. So AB will divide the GCD of AM and BM. Now from this we take common M. We get here AB divides M into GCD of AB. So AB divides M into D. Here GCD of AB is equal to D. Here we know that AB divides MD, therefore AB is divisor and MD is dividend. So AB, that is divisor, is always less than equal to dividend. So we get here AB less than equal to MD. Give this as equation 1. Also, we know that if D divides A and D divides B. Now here for D divides A, we will multiply and divide it by B. So BD divides AB. And for D divides B, multiply and divide it by A. So AD divides AB. Here again we know that if A divides C and B divides C, then we get LCM of AB divides C. Therefore, for BD divides AB and AD divides AB, we get LCM of BD, AD divides AB. From this, we take common D. So, LCM of BA into D divides AB. That is, LCM of AB into D divides AB. Here, we know that LCM of AB is denoted by M. So, MD divides AB. And here again, we know that divisor is always less than or equal to divider. So, here MD is less than equal to AB. This give this as equation 2. From these equations 1 and 2, we get MD is equal to AB. Here, M is the LCM of AB and D is the GCD of AB. So, LCM into GCD is equal to AB. That is, GCD into LCM is equal to AB. This is the required relation between GCD and LCM. Now, let me see the example. See here, the GCD of 6 and 15 is 3 and LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. See, GCD of 6, 15. GCD means the greatest common divisor. So we have to take here divisors. First, divisors of 6 are, the divisors means the number in which table it comes. So here 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. Divisors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Common divisors of 6 and 15 are 1 and 3. Greatest common divisor of them is 3. Therefore, GCD of 6, 15 is 3. LCM of 6, 15. Here multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 42, 48, 54 and 60. And multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60. Here the common multiples of 6 and 15 are 30 and 60. So here the least common multiple is 30. Therefore, LCM of 6, 15 is equal to 30. We have GCD into LCM is equal to the product of A and B, that is 6 into 15. Here we get 90. Again, we know that GCD into LCM is equal to the value of GCD, that is 3, and value of LCM, that is 30. So 3 into 30 is again 90. That is, here we get product of LCM into GCD or GCD into LCM is equal to AB. Now we see the applications of theorem. The GCD of A and B can be calculated by the Euclidean algorithm. Till now, we have not given any method to compute the LCM of A and B. Here, the relation is GCD into LCM is equal to AB. This GCD can be calculated by Euclidean algorithm, and LCM can be found from this relation of GCD and LCM. This theorem serves the purpose to find their LCM when GCD is known. Now, these are the references I have used for making this seminar PPT. At last, I would like to thank to Sir Dr. Samadhan L. Munde, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department of Sri RIT College of Science, Akola, who guided me for this wonderful seminar competition on algebra. And also, I thank you all for your unwavering attention throughout the presentation. Thank you.